Hello everybody, this is Marshall Man the Realtor. We got another talk through video for you. We are in the K-hovnanian build community known as Viviendo in Chandler, Arizona. This build here is known as the Vienne, Vienne. It is a 6-bedroom home. It has 4.5 baths, 2-car garage, 3,397 square feet of space spread between 2 stories, and the price range for this one is $852,650. As you can see, there's a lot of room on the first floor. You have the open floor plan between the kitchen and the living room. You also have a master bedroom that is on the first floor as well. Here's the bedroom. Took this footage with my phone, so excuse the quality. Dual sinks, walk-in shower, and a very, very, very huge walk-in closet. More than enough space. And onto the upstairs. Kind of have an open area for everybody to sit down upstairs, room for maybe a TV or just to sit back. You can overlook the living room, the patio. There's a lot to like about this home. If you're looking for something with plenty of space and, just a large amount of bedrooms, I think this home is the one for you. Again, this is in Chandler. Everybody has their own section of the house for something like this. If you like this home, or if you're interested in something in this area or something similar to this, like, comment, or subscribe. Click the link below, and feel free to reach out to me with any questions that you may have. Take it easy.